Hello students, we are studying here chapter number 2, fractions, and in this chapter we have seen in previous class the definition of fraction. So the definition of fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. The fraction is a number that representing the part of the whole, and the whole can be a single object or a group of objects. So for example, 3/7 and 4/9 etc. are example of fraction. And also we have seen in that classes the types of fractions. There are proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, equivalent fraction, like fraction, and unlike fraction. And also we have solved the exercise 2.2 depending on the types of fractions or comparing of fractions. So dear students, in today's class we are going to learn the multiplication of fraction by a whole numbers. So you know that multiplication is repeated addition. What is the multiplication? You have seen and learned in previous classes. The multiplication is repeated addition. So let us multiply 3/16 by 3. Therefore 3/16 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 times we will add this 3/16 plus 3/16 plus 3/16 is equal to, you students, you can see here the same denominator. This is the example of the like fractions. The addition of in the like fraction of addition we will put once the denominator is 16 and 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 3 9. So this addition of this fractions will come 9/16. That means 3 into 3/16. Hence 3/16 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3/16. Hence we obtain the following rule: the fraction into whole number. So students, the question is multiply 3/16 by 3. So fraction, this is 3/16 is fraction and 3 is whole number. So the fraction multiply the whole number. How we will do? This is the we will see in this. So students, you can see either fraction into whole number is equal to numerator of the fraction into whole number. So that means whole number will be multiplied only with the numerator of the fraction and denominator of the fraction as it is. So how we'll do the multiplication with the fractions and whole numbers? So multiplication of fractions by the whole number, you only multiply with the whole number only numerator of the fraction and put denominator as it is the denominator of the fraction. For example, 3/9 multiplied by 4 is equal to, so 3/9 is a fraction and 4 is a whole number. So students, how will do the multiplication here? Only you will multiply this whole number with the numerator of the fraction. So what is the numerator of this fraction? 3. So 3 multiplied by 4, in numerator you will put like this, 3 multiplied by 4 and upon 9 as it is. What is the denominator of fraction? This 9. So we will write here 9 as it is. Now we will multiply the numerator. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 12/9. 9 is denominator. We will copy from here. So students, you can see here 12 and 9 comes in 3 tables. So we can cut it by the 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So we can write the equilateral fractions of 12/9 is 4/3. So students, you can see here this is the fraction. Which type of fraction? This is a improper fraction because of the numerator is greater than the denominator. By the definition of improper fraction, we can guess this is the fraction in type of improper because of the 4 is the greater than 3 and the 4 is numerator. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, this fraction is called the improper fraction. So we can find out the mixed fraction by dividing 4 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 1 is quotient. We will put here whole number as quotient and remainder will come 1/3. 1 and 1/3. This is the answer. Next is 4/17 multiplied by 3 is equal to, in this case also only numerator will multiply with the whole number. What is the numerator of this fraction? 4 upon 17? 4. 4 is numerator. So 4 multiplied by 3. We will put here 4 multiplied by 3 in the numerator and upon 70 is equal to 12 upon 17. And the third example, 11 upon 22 multiplied by 2 is equal to, who will multiply 11 or 12 with 2? 11. 11 into 2 is equal to 22 upon 12. So we can see here, this is the equivalent fraction upon, it can be divided by 2. So 2, 11 upon 6 is equal to this. This is also which type of fraction? Improper fraction. So we can write here as a mixed fraction. So student, we will do like that, the multiplication of fraction by a whole number by using this formula. Fraction into whole number is equal to numerator of the fraction into whole number upon denominator. Okay students, so learn this formula and use this formula to multiply the fraction by the whole number.